Hello cute childrens, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a pretty kitty. So please watch full video to have fun. Let's get started. So first of all I have to draw nose between the paper. Side by side I will draw eyes. So now what you have to do, now I have to draw a face, but today I will start from here, like I will go up from here as well. So this is the side, because today our kitty has some and now I will draw head. So till here it's okay, and now I have to draw the uh, the bow. For this purpose I have to draw a circle. So according to this I will draw a bow from here. So I have to meet, and now I will draw the ear side. This is the second ear, this is the first ear. So now what I have to do, I have to make a hands. You have to raise when it's something wrong. You have to make it here like this, and you have to raise it as well. You have to make it round. Okay, nice. Here as well little bit. Okay, so now I will make the second hand. I will start here. Go to round. draw here. Okay, till here it's nice, and now I have to make a strawberry between it. So it holds the strawberry. Okay, so now I make it the these are the leaf of strawberry I'm making. And now I have to make it okay, nicely done till here. So now what is missing? We have to draw legs. So I will start from here. One, and the second leg from here. You have to make it round. Keep in mind, if not round, no problem, we are just having fun. Okay, we have to raise from here. It's like here, and now okay, till here nicely done. So now I have to so children's, our kitty, it's ready. Now what you have to do, I have to make it with marker and I color it. Then I meet you after these two things. So Yupu guys, our kitty is ready. I have used here pink. It's your own choice, what you like you can draw. There is a strawberry, it's always red. So please watch full video always to have fun, and we meet in the next video. Take care, bye bye.